Hey, what's up?
I know, I'm in
There,
a funny mood today.
YouTube, and also TikTok. This Crazy Ninja Hawkman. I'm just chilling, so yeah. Anyways, oh yeah, I forgot this would be for Crazy Working Man as well, so off of YouTube. So yeah, later today I'm gonna work on my neighbor's yard again, but this time it's not half as bad though, which is good. And also let me know in the comment section what should I do for my yard, and also next week's side job as well, or odd job for that matter, as I would have called it. And I'm staying safe and stuff like that, but we're not 6 feet apart, so I have to wear masks. So, but I'm just chilling with my homies right now. So
You feel like homies?
yeah,
Am I your homie, Hawk?
yeah,
You're my homie too, Bob.
yep,
What about Cindy? Is she your homie?
yeah. She's staff.
What about Rihanna?
I'm a homie.
She's a homie.
She's a homie? So, practically everybody here
There's
is your
all
homie,
yeah,
right?
homie and homie.
Even Brenda? Is she your
No.
homie? No?
She's my arch rival.
Hey, you're very nice. Let's not talk about stuff work.
I like that one, Hawk.
James, that wasn't nice.
Hey, Hoss, who am I?
You're my friend.
Oh, hey.
I'm your friend, huh?
Yep. Ow.
Me too.
Just snap my leg.
Okay.
Take a drink.
Hi. Hi. I'm
Morning, how are you?
Disneyland opens today.
Disneyland opens today?
Yeah, after being a year.
Yeah.
More than a year.
And this movie theater over here too. Yep, I went to the theaters in Caldwell last weekend.
Yep, they opened.
I'm glad everything's reopening again.
What is?
Everything.
I know. Slowly but surely, we'll get back to normal. Right, Rihanna?
Define normal.
The way it was before COVID. Let's put that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, why?
Hopefully this weekend for this group.
Yes, if you want to.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
I'm
you're awesome.
chilling. So yeah. But today's gonna be a good day. Later today we're gonna go to the park, and you might see a video for Crazy Hawk's Part of Your Travel vlog.
Trouble. Cindy, you tired?
Later today, Monday day to me. Yay.
Wait, today.
I didn't stay, but I was actually in bed.
Okay, good. I don't take call in the morning. I sleep in.
Yeah, I'm wearing a headset, so I'm thinking about doing a podcast on Anchor, so
The train.
my new Anchor app. So later today, so. But heck, I love you guys very much. I'll speak with you again soon, and also check out my TikTok. There's some fun content on there, so yay. There's some D&D, there's some food-related content, drink-related content, some songs on there I do, and maybe some duets. So, you guys
We're
rock.
gonna take a vote when Alan gets.